Get ready for street interviews with Travel Like. I'm here today with
Ria.
Anshul, Karthik.
Zoe. Nisa.
nice name. We're going to be bouncing some travel questions off these guys and let's see what they have to say. So what are some unpopular opinions you have about traveling in general?
I think the exit row seat is kind of overrated. I just traveled in the exit row seat. I think it was fine only.
I think it's hectic.
Going by road isn't that bad.
That is quite controversial, I'll be honest.
The more you travel is something that you learn every time. There's always so much culture diversity that you get through. Just shapes you as a person the more you travel.
For sure, for sure.
I think finding a good stay is really difficult because so many times we see, in the pictures that okay, the stay, the accommodation, the hotel, it looks very nice, but it is not very hygienic. It's not very clean.
You're going to Egypt for 1 week. What are some essentials that you're carrying and that you cannot live without?
A kaftan, jewelry, open-toed pharaoh sandals,
Love it.
and my shades.
Perfect, perfect. Shades for the sun god Ra.
I think you just need to go with an open heart and an open mind. That's the biggest thing that you can carry with yourself. Be open to change, accept the culture as is. I generally travel very light. I try and explore that country and get as much as I can from there rather than carrying stuff from here.
Perfect, I love that answer.
My phone.
I'll take the slider, shorts, face wash, sunscreen, and a portable bidet.
He's taking care of his skin, guys, as you all need to as well. Alright, next up we've got would you rather questions. Mountains or beaches?
Beaches.
Mountains.
Beaches.
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 Street food or luxury fine dining?
Depends on the time, but I would always prefer a luxury fine dining.
Street food.
It depends on the mood, but I prefer street food.
Street food, no doubt.
A little bit of both.
Pack light or pack heavy?
Very light.
Pack heavy.
Heavy. Pack heavy. I overpack.
Me too.
Yeah, 3 for 3 on the same page. The Pyramids of Giza or the Eiffel Tower?
Eiffel Tower's Paris.
The Eiffel Tower.
The Pyramids of Giza. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take that as well.
Eiffel Tower.
Solo traveling or group traveling?
Used to be solo, but now I'm married. I have a son, so now it's always a group.
Solo.
Group travel. I can't sleep alone.
Yeah, group.
Group travel, perfect. Stay tuned for round 2.